Video 521, render.com Node.js Server Part 1. So we're on 521 of the entire Atomic Ivy source code series, and we're on Part 1 of render.com. So we're going to use render.com to try to deploy our project, and we're only one video in, and we're already a lot further than we were with Terraform. So we go to render.com, right? And we start our trial, right? Get started for free. Actually, it's not even a trial. Just get started for free, right? We're going to register. We're going to go to the register, enter an email and a password, complete our sign up, right? And then I confirmed the confirmation email, and this kind of little pop-up happened when I redirected to render.com. And on the dashboard, I'm going to select a web service. So I'm going to click that new web service button, and it's going to bring me to this URL here for selecting a repo. We're going to put the Atomic Ivy master repo right in here because it is a public repo, and hit the continue button, and then we're going to fill out some stuff. Now, the first time I tried to fill this out, I decided that the command would be node.atomicivymmo.js for both of these commands here. And that's wrong. So I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing, right? I just know enough Node.js to get stuff working. So I'm a hack. I'm a hack, right? It's like the first priority is working code, right? So I only know enough to get things working. So I tried this, and I selected the free plan. It says that you need a credit card number to kind of like use anything but a free plan. But anyways, I hit this create web service button, right? And a little thinking thing happens here, and I saw this kind of in progress here. I'm looking at the logs, and I see that the build failed. So I go back here and I try another project. I'm going to call it aim-yarn, and I'm going to use the defaults. I'm going to use yarn for the build command and yarn start for the start command. Create the web service and do it all over again. And this time it crashed because it cannot find module node query string. So in the next video, we are going to create a node query string polyfill because we're only using one command. So if you are interested, like and subscribe. You're on this playlist. A longer explanation is here. So like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder working on Atomic Ivy MMO.